In this video I'm going to show you how to resize a video in CapCut PC with the aspect ratio and Resizing. So what we want to do is add a clip into our timeline, and as you can see this is a 16:9 display. So what we want to do is basically you can scale it by using this slider. You can zoom in and zoom out, but as you can see the ratio is still the same. If you would like to change this, then click on ratio. And let's say we would like to make an Instagram reel or a TikTok video. Then you will set it by 9:16. So now you have changed this, and now we only need to resize the video itself. So what we will do is we will now zoom in till we got the wanted view. And now you can see it's nice zoomed in onto this car. So if you play the video, you will see we have created a different ratio. And that is how you resize a video in CapCut PC using aspect ratio. Thank you for watching.